I was once on an HR panel which was doing succession planning for a senior leader. Succession planning is a process where we identify a person who would take over from the senior leader once he or she moves on to something else. We were considering two candidates. One was very popular with the team and also had high people engagement scores. The second candidate, he was not as popular, nor did he have as high engagement scores, but he had a strong grasp of business priorities. He also had very strong strategic thinking ability. So the panel believed that he would develop his team to be very similar to him in that respect. So liking is not the only thing that is needed to be a leader. What does a team need from you is also a very important criteria.